AI is revolutionizing the world and its capabilities are mind-blowing. From super creative AI videos to AI generated rap that sounds incredibly real, the possibilities seem endless. You can even use AI to create perfect clones of your voice and generate stunning AI videos or animations. Today I'll present you the top 10 most unbelievable tools available right now with respect to AI. Number one is art generator. One of the first AI tools you must try out is Lexica.art. It's an online AI art generator that can transform any description into stunning artwork. Lexicon does an amazing job. It's very easy to use. You can even give it a reference image by uploading it to guide the AI, and I'm sure you guys will enjoy using this tool. Number two is voice clone. Imagine being able to create an AI clone of your voice. Descript.com offers this mind-boggling feature. By recording a 10 minutes clip of your voice and using their AI, you can clone your voice accurately. It's important to sound like yourself during the recording. Once the AI finishes cloning your voice, you can simply type anything you want in the text box, and the Descript AI will generate the audio using your cloned voice. Next is AI music. Now this is from Uberduck.com. It allows you to generate your own AI music tracks. You can choose different genres or moods, mix them up, or even enter a specific prompt like Abhishek Bachchan rapping or doing hip hop and all of that jazz. But whatever feature you want to enter, just give it a prompt and it will do it. In just a couple of seconds, you will have a unique music track that has never been heard before. So I think it is a revolutionizing time. Let's move on to the next one, which is AI rap. Now, Uberduck.ai. To create AI rap, visit Uberduck.ai. This website lets you input lyrics and choose from a variety of voices, including famous rappers like Snoop Dogg or Drake. While this feature is purely for fun and non-commercial use, I think it's astounding how real and accurate the AI generated raps can sound. Next is Nvidia Canvas. Nvidia Canvas is an application that takes AI art creation to the next level. After downloading the application, you can paint on an empty canvas or directly on a photo canvas. With the help of AI powered brushes, you can create realistic and beautiful artwork in real time. So you can adjust brush sizes, change the photo style while keeping your main design intact. If you don't want to change that, nothing will happen to that. You can just adjust the brush sizes and you're good to go. Next tool is for image restoration, replicas. If you have old photos that need restoration, replicas.com is a perfect website for you. So by uploading your photos, the AI analyzes them and then automatically restores any imperfections such as faded areas, because when you have a very old photo, sometimes certain areas you want to finish them up, or if it has any kind of blemishes. For even more enhancement, you can use a color AI called Big Color, which adds accurate colors to your restored images. The results are truly astonishing. You'll be surprised that if you take like a photo from 70s or 80s, which has blemishes, which has a lot of blurs, it will create it like a high quality image. Let's talk about next one, which is 3D object creation. This is from Lumba Labs. Lumalabs.ai allows you to turn videos into 3D models. By recording a video and uploading it to the website, the AI scans the video for colors, objects, and shapes, and then creates a highly accurate 3D model for it. So you can view and manipulate the model from different angles if you want that, and creating a unique and immersive 3D experience. Next tool is TechGPT. Now TechGPT is a powerful AI tool that offers two useful plugins. First one is Summary with ChatGPT, a Chrome extension that summarizes YouTube videos in real time. The second plugin AI PRM for ChatGPT. It provides you prompt templates to create human-like written articles. Now, let's be frank, whenever you give a prompt to ChatGPT, sometimes it doesn't sound like it's written by a human. So this extension is of great value. So it enhances the capabilities of ChatGPT, making it more real and versatile. Supermeme will be loved by meme community because it is a website dedicated to generating memes. By typing in a prompt, you can quickly generate a meme. Website is Supermeme.ai, and it generates a wide variety of memes, not just one or two. So you can also edit the text or generate a funny GIF. Finally, we are going to talk about Kyber. Now, this is going to transform your images into immersive AI videos using the website Kaiber.ai. Once you are on the site and logged in with your Google account, you can start creating your video. Begin by selecting any image, proceed to the prompt stage and type out exactly what you want the video to portray. You can choose the style of animation you prefer, like tech, futuristic or cyberpunk, and people are also creating reels like these and they're going viral. So I believe that this is a great way of creating AI generated videos which looks very futuristic. You can also adjust the camera movements with this and the level of transformation or evolution that you desire. So once you have set everything, click on the generate button. After a few minutes, you'll be amazed by the results, because it will be an incredible animation video created from just a single image. So the more you observe these videos, the more astonishing they would appear, or they would become. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye.